The Canon EOS R4 is finally here, and it's making waves in the photography and videography world. Packed with a high-resolution full-frame sensor, next-level autofocus, 4K per 120 frames per second video, and a fully articulating screen, this camera is built for hybrid shooters who demand the best of both stills and video. But is it really worth the upgrade? In today's video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the EOS R4, its specs, features, pricing, and first impressions, so you'll know whether this flagship mirrorless camera lives up to the hype. The Canon EOS R4 is officially here, and it's creating a huge buzz among photographers, videographers, and tech enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. As the next generation in Canon's R-series lineup, the EOS R4 promises a remarkable combination of professional-grade performance, cutting-edge features, and versatile design. Canon has clearly focused on meeting the needs of hybrid shooters, those who demand both high-resolution stills and top-tier video capabilities in a single package. From confirmed specifications to design details, performance metrics, and pricing, this video will break down everything you need to know about the Canon EOS R4, helping you understand why it could be a game-changer in the mirrorless camera market. Starting with the design, the EOS R4 builds upon the ergonomic and functional layout that Canon users have come to expect from its full-frame mirrorless series. The body retains the familiar robust magnesium alloy construction, offering durability without excessive weight, making it suitable for long shooting sessions. Weather sealing ensures that the camera can withstand dust, moisture, and light rain, providing photographers with confidence when shooting in challenging conditions. Subtle refinements in grip texture, button placement, and customizable controls make the R4 feel intuitive and balanced in the hand, even when paired with heavier RF lenses. These design enhancements indicate Canon's commitment to combining comfort, functionality, and reliability in a professional tool. The EOS R4 features an advanced electronic viewfinder, EVF, and a fully articulating LCD touchscreen. The high-resolution OLED EVF provides a clear and responsive preview, allowing photographers to compose shots accurately, even in bright sunlight. The rear LCD screen is fully articulating, offering flexibility for vlogging, creative angles, and complex video setups. Touchscreen navigation makes it easy to adjust settings, select focus points, and scroll through menus quickly. Compared to previous models like the EOS R3, the R4 improves clarity and responsiveness, ensuring a smooth and professional user experience for both photographers and videographers. At the heart of the EOS R4 is a full-frame sensor paired with Canon's latest Digic X processor. While official megapixel count varies depending on regional models, leaks suggest it will feature a high-resolution sensor capable of delivering incredible detail, dynamic range, and color fidelity. Low-light performance is expected to improve over previous models, thanks to expanded ISO range and advanced noise reduction algorithms. Photographers can expect cleaner images in challenging conditions, whether shooting indoor events, landscapes at dusk, or nighttime cityscapes. The Digic X processor also allows for faster image processing, which translates into quicker shot-to-shot times, improved autofocus performance, and the ability to handle large image files with ease. Autofocus is one of the most critical upgrades in the EOS R4. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF technology is expected to see enhancements in both speed and accuracy, with advanced subject tracking that recognizes